Today, I will show you how you can read a ruler or a tape measure in inches. Rulers are often used to write down measurements. This is important in careers such as construction and architecture. I will demonstrate by drawing a rectangle representing an inch. Let's divide this into two sections. The measurement between 0 and 1 is 1/2 of an inch. Let's divide this into four sections. The measurement between 0 and 1/2 is 1/4 of an inch, and the measurement between 1/2 and 1 is 3/4 of an inch. Let's further divide the rectangle into 8 sections. The measurement between 0 and 1/4 is 1/8 of an inch. Between 1/4 and 1/2 is 3/8 of an inch. Between 1/2 and 3/4 is 5/8 of an inch. Between 3/4 and 1 is 7/8 of an inch. Finally, let's further divide the rectangle into 16 sections. The measurement between 0 and 1/8 is 1/16. Between 1/8 and 1/4 is 3/16. Between 1/4 and 3/8 is 5/16. Between 3/8 and 1/2 is 7/16. Between 1/2 and 5/8, 9/16. Between 5/8 and 3/4, 11/16. Between 3/4 and 7/8, 13/16. And between 7/8 and 1 is 15/16 of an inch. This is a tape measure. As you can see, every inch has markings, with the largest being 1/2 of an inch and the smallest being 1/16 of an inch. Let's do an example. Let's measure 2 3/4 inches. Here we have our tape measure. So we know that for every inch, the half-inch marking is the largest. So that means that the 1/4 inch marking is the second largest. And since our measurement is going to be between 2 and 3 inches, and 3/4 is between 1/2 of an inch and a full inch, our line is going to measure up to here. Inches can be abbreviated to just IN, or it can be symbolized with the double prime symbol. And that's how you read a ruler or tape measure in inches.